Hey YouTube, I'm about to install some stainless steel transom hooks into my inflatable boat. This one has a fiberglass reinforced plywood transom. So I'm just gonna drill some holes. I already did some measurements and some marks. I don't want to make them really on the edge. I want to leave some space in case I want to install some lifting tabs or some transom wheels in the future. So let's do it. The plan is to drill the holes and then use some marine sealant to prevent any water going into the transom. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this 4200 sealant to prevent the water going into the transom. So I'm gonna put this on the hook, on the holes, inside the holes. And this one happens to be way better than the 5200. I've seen a lot of reviews and comments saying that the 5200 is just too permanent, too firm. It's more like a welding thing. So this one is the right one, the one we want to use for this application at least.